What's going on? Okay. I'm going to do an expense breakdown, which I've needed to do for a long time. So you can understand where the money's going, why we don't have any, and the only option that we truly have to fix it. So let's go look over here at the expenses that we currently have. So we have Morgan Drive, the mortgage, $2,956, electric, gas, cable, water, sewer, insurance, cell phone, $300 if it's me, auto insurance, a one-time tax every year of $13,000. Not including the tax, it's minus $4,806. Doesn't include maintenance. If the air conditioning breaks, the gas breaks, whatever breaks, doesn't include that. And as you know, sometimes these bills are higher than this. So right now, minus $4,806. The best case is we rent it and we can get $6,000, a positive cash flow, $1,194. That's the best case at $6,000. I don't know if we can get $6,000, but that's what I would want to rent it for. Here we have Dorothy. Costs $250, HOA is $135, water's $30, electric's $100, insurance is $50, taxes $900 a year. Again, paid at the end of the year. Best case, right now it's costing me $565. Dorothy is not rented right now. We are not allowed to do Airbnb. But if I can get a long-term renter, best case scenario, I could charge $1,500. That's really a lot considering that neighborhood charges $900. But if I can get $1,500, I can have a positive cash flow of $935. Swenson Street, HOA is $125, electric $75, insurance is $50, taxes $700 a year. It's costing me $250. John's currently staying there. Okay, he's paying me $250 to make it zero, but it's only $250. So I need to rent it out for $750. That's again a lot. That neighborhood charges $550, but if I can get $750, I can make $500. Okay. Here we have Viking. Viking's just a fucking money pit, dude. My Viking costs $150 for the HOA. The lawn is $125. The pool's $225. Electric's $300. Gas, nobody uses it. Water, cable, insurance, and trash. Now remember, this used to be rented. It used to be rented. We were about to get $10,000 a month for this property on Airbnb, but now it's at zero. So it's costing $1,386 to sit there, not including the $4,000 a year for the tax. Okay, so again, $1,386. Best case scenario, long-term rent, $5,000 a month, makes $3,614. Let's look at Santa Anita. So Santa Anita is consistently rented out. Water costing $400, electric is $500, gas is $100, trash is $86, lawn is $150, pool's $225, cable's $250, and insurance is $100. It's costing $1,811 to have Santa Anita, just to have Santa Anita, not including taxes of $4,000. The rent on it is $7,500. The rent's actually, on a good month, we can get $10,000, but I pay 25% to the guy who manages it, so I get $7,500. Okay, minus $1,811, positive cash flow of $5,689. That's all the money right now that I'm making. Period. To my name every month is $5,689, and as you know, that's not even enough to basically cover Morgan Drive. Okay. So this is the best case scenario. We're getting $7,500. It's pretty good. You're not going to get more than that. It's only going to go down in the future. We got a shitload of credit card debt from last year and through this year. It just added up because I have to pay with credit cards for a lot of things for you. Discover's $9,000, Bank of America is $42,000, Bank of America $217,000, Citibank is $15,000, and Chase is $28,000. Those are credit card debts. My minimum payment on all that is $4,900 a month, and it only pays down the interest, not the principal balance of $90,000. So this sucks. This guy doesn't get taken care of. I have no idea how to do it, but it's costing $4,900. Okay, Thailand. My budget in Thailand is $2,000. That's how much I spend here in Thailand. I try to spend less than that. I could probably spend $1,500, but $2,000 is reasonable. That covers my house and food. I don't do anything else. It's just house and food. I give you $2,000 cash. So right now, $17,718. But wait a second, I forgot Karen. So it's $18,168 minus $18,168. Right now, no lie, that's how much it is, and it comes more than that because what? You got to pay for food. You got to pay for other different things that just come up, and you end up like glasses for Bo or whatever. So you end up spending a lot more than that $18,000. So that's why I've been trying to figure out where the fuck has the money been going, because right now we had like 300 grand in the fucking stocks, and it's $30,000, and it's been like a year. Well, guess what? I lost more than 100,000 selling off the stocks, and apparently when I sold off the stocks, they were also I had borrowed against them, so I ended up losing double. But I do have a solution. Now, this is the only solution that we have. There is no other solution. It has to be done. There is no other thing that we can do to make this work. And if this works perfectly, only if it works perfectly, will it work. Okay. Solution by June 1st. We have to rent Morgan Drive. It's got to be rented for $6,000 minus the expenses. Profit $1,194. Dorothy rent $1,500, $565, $935. Swenson $750. We make $250 minus $250, make $500. Viking $5,000, make $3,614. Santa Anita, as you know, $5,689. So total profit would be $11,932. That's the profit. Okay, remember we just paid all the expenses down, so we got $11,932. Don't forget the taxes of $22,600 for the year for all the properties, and credit card debt of $90,000. Okay, so here we have credit card cost $4,900. Owes $2,000. Your rent for your new place that you're gonna live is $2,000, and Alex in Thailand is $2,000. So that comes out to $10,900. This is $10,900, and we make $11,932. Right, $11,932. At the end of the day, if this works perfectly, we will be positive for the first time in many, many years of $1,032. Now, here's the thing. This does not include taxes, and didn't pay the tax. So 1,032 times 12, if I saved it, is 12,384 minus 22,600. We're still minus $10,216 for the year. That's a minus. There's no way to fix it, and this does not include any taxes on this income. I got to pay taxes on this too. I have to figure that out. You can't deduct all of it. Now, you're saying, why don't you sell something, right? You're saying, why don't you sell a property? Why don't you sell it? Well, let me show you why that's stupid. Okay, now first of all, we're going to use Dorothy as an example. Dorothy right now is worth, let's say it's worth $100,000. Okay, it's worth $100,000. But it's only costing $565, right? It's only costing $565. $18,168 minus $565 is still $17,500. So that $17,500 still has to get paid. If I got 100 grand, I would only net 80,000. So it would last 4 months. 4 months, and all that money from Dorothy would be completely gone. Now Dorothy next year is going to be worth more money. Swenson's going to be worth more money. Morgan's going to be worth more money. Your house Viking is going to be worth more money. You say, sell Viking. Sell Viking. Well, guess what? If you sell Viking, which it is for sale, but we have to get a good price for it. If it doesn't sell, this is stupid. If you sell Viking, guess what? You're only saving $1,386, because that's expensive. $1,386. So minus $1,386. What is that? It's still $16,300 a month. So let's just say you get the money. Let's say you get $500,000, and you have $16,000. Do you know how much that is on a yearly basis? $16,300 times 12 is $200,000. So this money right here from Viking would last 2 years. 2 years. Now here's the thing. You sell this, guess what? I'm still on the hook for $16,000 fucking dollars. I can't do it. I can't be on the hook for $16,000. It's just not happening, okay? So understand that, here's the solution. It's the only solution. I don't know anything else. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to talk to Uncle Victor, and I'm going to see if you can stay in Gung place. I'm going to give him the $2,000. You can stay there. I'm also give you $2,000 cash, and we'll call it a day. So right now, what we need to do is I'm going to work on Vegas and getting all these properties rented properly. You have to do Morgan Drive for me. I can't do it. I'm not there. It's hard for me to do these other properties, but I just had Bob list Viking for rent for 5,000, and I had him list Dorothy for 1,500, and then Swenson, when I'm talking to John right now, and he's gonna go ahead and take care of that. So I'm gonna take care of those. I need you to take care of Morgan, please, and that's it. And we can have at least $1,032 and not have to dig in to any more. I mean, there's only 30 grand in stocks left. That's going to be 20 grand by June, and then literally by July there is $0, which means the electric will get turned off. The electric's gonna get turned off. The gas is gonna get turned off. The house is gonna go into foreclosure, and the government's gonna take it, and we're just gonna be fucked, and it's just not a good situation. So, let's take care of this, okay? I need your help. This is serious. It's very serious, okay? I need your help. Please. Okay? So hopefully you understand everything here. If you don't understand anything here, let me know.